So, Mr. Pancake is dead, and I decided that I would videotape it for you so that you could see him for the last time before I flush him. See, he's way dead. Look at him go. Okay. You are now witnessing the death of Pancake. If I can do this, because this is really gross. Heather!
What?
Can you help?
Help me what?
Can you get the fish out? Ew! He has rigor mortis! Ew! Dude, this is disgusting. I have to touch the thing he's been dead on all day. Oh, this is disgusting. Ew, ew. I got a blueberry. Oh. Say goodbye. There he is. Goodbye. Pancake is now in fishy heaven.